Your body starts changing in ways you never expected after just 7 days of hitting 10,000 steps. Here's what's really happening inside you. 10,000 steps. It sounds like a lot, doesn't it? That's roughly 5 miles of walking every single day. But millions of people around the world have made this their daily target. The question is, what actually happens to your body when you commit to this simple habit? Week 1, the immediate changes. In the first week, your body goes into adaptation mode. Your cardiovascular system starts working more efficiently. Your heart doesn't have to pump as hard to circulate blood. You'll notice you're sleeping better because walking regulates your circadian rhythm and reduces cortisol levels. Many people report feeling more energized, not more tired. That's your mitochondria getting better at producing energy. Weeks 2 to 4, the metabolic shift. By week 2, something fascinating happens. Your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for fuel. Walking is a low-intensity exercise, which means your body preferentially uses fat stores for energy instead of carbohydrates. Your insulin sensitivity improves, making it easier for your cells to absorb glucose from your bloodstream. This is huge for preventing metabolic disorders. Your muscles start developing more capillaries, tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients. This makes every movement more efficient and less tiring. Months 1 to 3, the visible transformation. After a month of consistent walking, the changes become visible. Most people lose between 4 to 8 pounds, depending on their diet. But it's not just about weight. Your leg muscles become more defined. Your posture improves because walking strengthens your core and back muscles. Your mental health takes a significant turn for the better. Walking releases endorphins and increases serotonin production. Studies show that regular walkers have a 30% lower risk of depression and anxiety. The long-term benefits: stick with 10,000 steps for 6 months or more, and you're looking at serious health improvements. Your bone density increases, reducing your risk of osteoporosis. Your immune system strengthens, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. Your blood pressure drops to healthier levels, and your cholesterol profile improves. Perhaps most importantly, you're adding years to your life. Research shows that people who walk 10,000 steps daily have a significantly lower risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. The reality check. Now, let's be honest. 10,000 steps isn't magic. If you're eating poorly, not sleeping enough, or dealing with chronic stress, walking alone won't fix everything. But it's one of the most accessible and sustainable forms of exercise that almost anyone can do. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or special skills. Just a pair of comfortable shoes and the commitment to move. Conclusion. So what really happens when you walk 10,000 steps every day? Your body transforms from the inside out. Your heart gets stronger, your mind gets clearer, your metabolism works better, and you dramatically reduce your risk of chronic disease. The real question isn't what happens if you walk 10,000 steps daily. It's what are you waiting for?